Hi friends, in this video I am showing you how to slice a list, how to perform list slicing. Okay, now I am initializing a list name, list 1 with values 1, 2, 3, 5, 4. Okay, then for printing list 1 we can use list 1 command, or for slicing operation we can use the subscript, and the syntax will be list name in subscript I colon j. Here I am giving 2 for the ith value and 4 for the j value. Here 2 is the index value of I, and the indexing starts from 0, that is 0 1 2. The third 3 is the tooth indexed element, and 4 is the fourth element, that is 1 2 3 4 5. Then by running this code we will get 3 and 5. Here the tooth index 3 is present in the tooth index, and 1 2 3 4, the 4 is the last element. Here the 4 is the j, and the jth element will be 5. Therefore the 3 and 5 are present in this list. After this slicing we can also use another list 1 example using, if we only give this column inside the subscript we will get the result, the entire list 1 2 3 5 and 4. And if we want to print list 1 from second index to last, then we can use the command list 1 ith value is 2 and then column, then omit the last element, last index, jth value. Then we will get the result 0 1 2. 3 will be there. After 3 the entire list will be printed. Hope you understand this video. Thanks for watching.